Do Setae differ between species? Have you ever wondered about the tiny structures that cover the bodies of insects? These fascinating features are called setae. Today, we will find out if setae differ between species. Setae are hair-like structures found on many organisms, especially insects. They serve various purposes depending on the species and their environment. Insects, reptiles, and amphibians all have setae, but they function quite differently in each group. Let's start with the basics. Setae are bristle-like appendages made of chitin, which is a key component of the insect exoskeleton. In insects, setae are not just for show. They help with movement, provide traction, and can even act as sensory organs. Some insects use setae for defense or camouflage, making them essential for survival. In the insect world, setae come in many shapes and sizes. They can be hairy, bristly, or spiny. For example, some insects have setae modified into scales, like those you see on butterfly wings. These structures can trap food particles, sense the environment, or even help insects breathe underwater by forming air bubbles. Caterpillars cleverly use setae to camouflage themselves by trapping bits of organic material on their bodies. Others may have venomous spines or urticating hairs that serve as a defense mechanism against predators. Now, let's look at reptiles, particularly geckos and some lizards. Their setae are quite specialized. These structures allow them to climb and stick to surfaces, making it easier for them to navigate vertical or smooth areas. The setae on geckos often have expanded tips that increase the surface area for better adhesion. This unique adaptation helps them thrive in their environments. Amphibians, on the other hand, generally do not have setae like insects or reptiles. However, some amphibians may have skin appendages that serve similar functions, although they are not as pronounced or specialized. When we compare setae across species, the differences are striking. The structure and function of setae vary significantly. For instance, sensory setae in insects are quite different from the adhesive setae found in geckos. Each type of setae is adapted to meet the specific needs of the organism, reflecting the evolutionary pressures they face in their environments. In summary, setae do indeed differ between species. From the diverse forms in insects to the specialized structures in reptiles, these adaptations highlight the incredible variety of life on our planet. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the unique roles that setae play in the survival of various species.